Guys, see Bola Ahmed Tinubu's new private jet and convoy he's moving in. Following Tinubu's visit to Beijing, China on August 29, 2024 and his official visit and meeting with President Xijinping in the Great Hall of the People on Tuesday, September 2nd, here are 7 agreements Tinubu signed Nigeria with China. 1. Bilateral currency swaps in hope to boost liquidity in Nigeria and reduce reliance on the dollar for smoother trade between the two countries. 2. Infrastructural development, focusing on railways, highways and energy projects. 3. Power generation to enhance Nigeria's energy capacity by expanding, addressing and developing new power plants. 4. Mining and solid minerals in hopes to develop Nigeria's mining sector in search of untapped resources like gold and columbite. 5. Technology and telecommunications aim to enhance Nigeria's digital economy by deploying 5G networks and boosting cybersecurity through partnership with Chinese tech companies. 6. Cultural exchange and education through scholarships, student exchanges, and promotion of Chinese language studies in Nigeria, fostering mutual understanding. 7. Agricultural cooperation through technology and investments. China will help Nigeria in hopes to improve food security and reduce poverty. With all this mentioned, what are your thoughts with the deals Tinubu has signed Nigeria with China? That said, thanks for watching and see you in the next post, guys. Trending, sports, news and more. This is ASA Network.